So I do want to tell you guys, I lied to you first of all. Usually on these corners, I mean, you can see the heat coming off of here right now. But I put a lot of heat to this. Now wire feed this, okay? I'm using ER70S wire, 035. With enough heat and as clean as it was, I'm gonna be able to get away with wire feeding this. You see those hammer marks there? The reason I do that is I use a needle gun after each weld, and I'll hammer them. Multi-passes there. The reason I use that needle gun is because it sets the weld. Just to show you. So I'll weld, and after I get done with this weld, I'll go like this. And it sets that. It sets that weld and it sets that hardened steel. Now I'm only going to wire feed the corners. These two pieces in the corners. The rest is going to be 70-18 low hydrogen rod. But after every weld, I take the time with this air chisel, hammer, needle gun, whatever you want to call it, to set those welds. That's important.